What's up, peep? This is how I woke up. Just like this. I woke up like this. And I don't know how to undo it. I really don't know. I woke up, my lips them were extra big. And my eyebrow them. Good morning, sunshines. So, I have a doctor's appointment today. And I weigh 200 and, well, the other day I weighed 215 pounds. And I was like, no, not doing it, not going up there, come right back down. So I decided I was going to get back on my diet where I just limit my carbs intake and just strictly meat and vegetable. And I did that and I lost 3 pounds. So I'm down to 212 pounds. Yay. So I'm going to keep doing that. And for the rest of my pregnancy, because that number scared me. And to see it in the mirror, we're not doing that stupidness. Nope, not doing it. Not following this whole, feed baby. No, baby eat what I eat and baby be okay. Okay? So I have a doctor's appointment today at 10:45. It's now 8:45 and it's an hour away from here. So, and I would change my doctor if only I trust people. I don't trust anyone. I don't trust people much. And that doctor was recommended. He was my husband's doctor too. So, no, he was my wife, my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law's OB when she was pregnant with Marcelo, my husband. So, and he delivered all 4 of my children. So, he didn't deliver all 4 of them. He delivered 1. Because when I was pregnant with the twins, he went on vacation. And because they came early, Dr. Scardicini, who I love him to death, he delivered the twins. And then Vanessa delivered Jaxson. And Rogers delivered Destiny. That was the only pregnancy that he delivered. But he was my doctor for every last one of them. So it only makes sense that this little Jumbine gets the same doctor. And I even have the same pediatrician for all of my kids, even though he's an hour away. I haven't changed anything since I moved 5 years ago. Nothing has changed. So anyways, I have my egg over there boiling. I have 5 eggs boiling. 2 are going to be for my breakfast, and the other ones are going to be for snack throughout the day. And I'm going to get some tea, and that's it. For lunch, I'm going to have a salad, and then for dinner, I'm having meatballs with some sweet potato. So, yeah, that's how my diet is going to be from here on out. Very strict, with lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water. I can't stress that. Lots of water. And I don't mind drinking water. I love me some water. So that's where I am at. And I did my hair. People, if you guys know what my edges were like a couple months ago, look at that. Look at the beauty. I mean, there's few, little stragglers here and there that are trying to come, but look at that. Beautiful. Like, look. There's still these little guys that I don't force much into anything. Stop doing that. That's very inappropriate, Jaxson. But look at that. I am impressed. If you guys knew what my edges were like a few months ago, you would know. You would know that homegirl over here was struggling with them edges. So, and for them to be coming back, oh yeah, I put a batched up wig on top of my head. Not even a wig, it was a weave. Put a batched up weave on top of my head. Broke off my edges. Broke them off. They just went with the wig. They was like, we're going with the wig. We ain't staying with you. So they're coming back, and I am so proud of myself because I am growing back my edges. My edges decide they want to stay with me. Do you hear me? Seriously, they want to stay. And it's okay that the other ones, the little traitors, they went with the weave. It's okay. I don't have a problem. They can go. These ones right here are decide they're gonna stay, and they're gonna, gonna chill with homegirl. Yeah, they're gonna chill. So I'm gonna chill with them back. Anyway, I gotta go. My face is so broad. There's no makeup on, nothing. I just look like. Jesus, I got the tiniest little eyes with this big old face and this big old body. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I see your teeth. Let me turn your eye for a minute. Hold on a second. Hi guys. Let me go in my bathroom because it's so loud out here. I can't even hear myself. The door's unlocked. Who left the door on? Yeah. So today was my confirmation of pregnancy, and my OB, he did an ultrasound. He didn't do any pregnancy tests or anything. He just went straight to ultrasound, and he scared me. Basically, he's like, I can't see anything. He's like, I don't see anything. So if you guys see anything on this, the only thing I see is over there to the far left. Is that little sack right there. And then on this one, there's several sacks on here. So I don't know. I don't even see anything. Gestational sac. I don't see anything. Because with Jaxson, he was like there. So he was like, he sent me to do, to get blood work done. So he did all my levels and stuff. And, should get back those between 24 to 48 hours. My arm hurts. I am like stressing myself out because I don't know. It's unusual to go for your first appointment and not see anything. In my case, with all of my kids, they've always, popped up on the screen there in your face. Then again, I might be too early. I found out real early with this baby that I was pregnant, so I might be too early. I don't know, but he's like, I don't see anything. I go back for my next ultrasound on Wednesday, so today is Tuesday, December 8th. So I go back on December 17th. Yes, honey? You're not going? Yes. It's 6:35. I'm coming. So I go back on next Wednesday for another scan to see if anything shows up, and I'm waiting on my levels to see how those are doing. So I'm sad, really sad, but it'll be okay. This is something that I've prayed for and I asked God for, so I don't think He'll leave me disappointed or hanging. So I'm just gonna go with what my doctor say, which is it's way too early to see anything. So yeah, so I have to go to math night, so I'll see you guys later. What's up, peep? This is how I woke up, just like this. I woke up like this, and I don't know how to undo it. I really don't know. I woke up, my lips them were extra big, and my eyebrow then just rose together, and then I had a couple pimples on the side, and then my eye then just turned purple. I mean, it have a wing, but it disappeared. But yeah, me woke up like this, You know, ain't gonna look nice, but as long as it's there. I'm gonna kiss my husband and see how I like me. But I woke up like this. And now you want to sword me because me don't look like the woman I used to know. But I saw me wake up. I saw me wake up.
She just put things on.
No, I saw me wake up.
Seriously,
I
she
woke
put
up
things on.
and my lip extra big.
No, seriously, she put things on.
No, me wake up like that. My lip not extra big. Me have 2 pimples right there, so a beauty mark. I 2 beauty mark on my forehead. And then me eye them fused together.
No, she put the things on.
Let me kiss you. Oh, she's the only one that willing to look by me to even.
No.
You don't think that's what me wake? No. If you kiss me, I gonna turn back ugly. I mean, don't want to turn back ugly. Look at me beautiful. Look at me beautiful. No. You gonna take away my beauty. I want to look just like you, pretty. I want to look just like you, pretty. No, babe. No, babe, stop. You just go for the boobs, man. But I'm saying, people, look at the transformation. Stop. Jaxson, you want to kiss me? You want to kiss me so I can become beautiful? No, not no woman. Me not want that woman kissing me. Not a woman. I need daddy to kiss me so I can turn back beautiful.
Why?
Let me take out the stuff off of my face. Little girl, stop it! Stop!
She just put things on.
Okay.
Put things on.
Bye, people.
She put things on. Told you she put some makeup on.
I ain't putting nothing on.
Yeah.
You're lying.
No.
You're lying.
No, you're lying.
You ain't see me put nothing on. You lying.
You're lying.
You lying.
You're lying.
You got booty in your teeth lying.
You're lying.
I ain't put nothing on.
I
I put nothing on. You ain't see me put nothing on. What's wrong with you? You always want to kiss a woman. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you too. What kind of language is that?
Love you too. Love you too.
Love you too. Love you too. Love you too, YouTube. Well, the Albornozes are out. What's in your mouth? Good night, sunshines. I'll see you guys tomorrow.